Morning guys, well we are off out into the desert today with someone Ben has met on Instagram.
Morning.
I didn't think he was up.
Yeah.
I thought you were going to still be asleep. You shit out last night. He said, no, I'm not going out.
Well, I knew he was going to have a long day today.
A long day, we're only out for 4 hours.
This makes our garage look a bit piss poor, doesn't it?
Well, at least he's got a garage. So we've got a Mini there. We've got the Mechanis.
Alright.
Morning. How are you doing? You alright?
Yeah.
Alright.
You covered the most important cars up then.
I can uncover them. How you doing? Alright?
Exactly. This is going to buy a car that's going to hold the money.
One of them.
10 years old.
Nice.
Still, in the UK, those are probably 40 grand.
Shut up. McLaren, Ferrari. What would you have?
Got to be a Ferrari.
Really?
Yeah, because it's a Ferrari. If I had to take a pick in this early stages of cars to go out in, Ferrari, Beamer, McLaren, Caterham.
You're saying about the stone chips on front. Yeah. Must be bad round here. Even worse than GTR.
My advice is don't get it painted because they'll definitely come out in a different colour.
Whenever you're ready. Come on, soft lad. Sounds amazing.
Cars do always sound great in garages, but this will sound great out of the garage as well. He found that on an industrial estate, engine was out of it, full of sand, the inside of it was basically ruined. £30,000 he's paid for it.
30 grand?
Yeah, 30 grand sterling. And he spent about 10 grand on it, and he's got it back into that state.
So that's a £40,000 Ferrari there that looks like that good. It sounds that good. The Huracan didn't even have doors like that. How cool are they?
Give me a little bit of history on this then.
Had it for 6 years now. I bought it off a mate who bought it from Bahrain. He drove it for like 1,000 kilometres over a year and a half or something, and I kept saying to him, you've got to sell it to me because it's wasted on you. So I paid, would it be in today's money, £75,000, somewhere around there. It's done 40,000 kilometres, which is, what, 25,000 miles. It's paint to sample RS Orange, even though it's not an RS. It is just a regular GT3. It's Club Sport, but it doesn't have the roll cage for some bizarre reason.
All right. What's that? 70 litres, 100. What's that? To £27.
Something like that.
£27. £27. It's a common theme in Dubai.
Is that right?
Everyone gets lost.
Make a U-turn up there, and then onto the 102. And the 102s are.
He's not been allowed out for a long time, so he's a little bit lost.
Will never cease to amaze you because it gets around corners better than most cars. The promise of breakfast, that's what got us here, is it? Or is it the cars? Who knows? It was probably best not getting breakfast first and then doing that because it was a bit all over. And I can't see Ben driving that fast in that. Would he have had the driving Miss Daisy tour, or what do you reckon?
He would have had 3/4.
So that's enough for Ben. Are you white? Hold on a minute. You still got your suntan from
No, I
yesterday?
am. Like I am shaking a little bit. You must be in that.
I'm loving that. Seriously, it's a good job we didn't have breakfast first.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Because that would
Yeah.
have been coming back up. Where are you going?
What?
You can't go back to Warrington for me, you know. There's no buses.
Just over that hill.
I love the fact you don't have to lock your cars around there.
Can I pay for 2, please?
Yeah,
What's that? 190.
40 quid.
You happy now?
Yeah, but because we're in Dubai, this doesn't count for the UK. You've still got to buy me one when we're back in the UK.
You can't say that after I've just paid.
No, it's an English breakfast.
That's what he did. He just said it after you pay, so he can actually.
You can't do that.
Technically, he's fine
He just
saying
did it.
Thank
He
you.
just said it.
Yeah?
No, put that down.
Right, so which car are you going in?
I'm happy with the Ferrari, thanks.
You need to go in a different car just to experience
No,
the
I'm good.
experience.
No, I'm good, mate. Honestly.
Come all this way and you're going to go back in the same
Yeah,
car.
but I don't want to not enjoy it by shitting my pants the whole way there.
Anyone else would love to go in a one?
Yeah, I would.
Well, get in it then.
Not trying to keep up with the GT3. Come on, because it's your back, innit? Come on.
In my back. My back's alright, I'm in Dubai, it's warm.
What you saying?
I crunched the gearbox in third one of the times, which wasn't a good start. But clutch is heavy and it is a tight gearbox, so just getting back used to it. And then you're on the wrong side of the car as well, that you're getting used to. But the experience, it makes you, like, just that being in 20 minutes in the car, makes you actually want to buy one again.
Really?
But it's just the practicality of them. They're amazing cars. I mean, out of all the things we've done here up to now, this is by far worth coming to Dubai. I know people are saying, you shouldn't be in Dubai, you shouldn't be doing stuff, you're breaking lockdown rules. We're making videos on amazing cars like this.
So there's one. And now Lee wants another GT3.
Yeah.
It is nice that.
All I can say is, thank you for letting me drive your car because I know it's your pride and joy. And going off my YouTube videos, I wouldn't let me drive it.
It's only a car, and we've got no snow. So
Well, yeah.
no snow, no rain. You come out then, Ben. I'll drive normally.
No, I don't believe you.
Come on, Ben,
I'm not doing it, mate. No, I can't do it.
You don't have to drive, just as a passenger.
I can't do it. Honestly, you'll.
Please.
I'll shit my pants that much that I
I'll
won't
buy
like
you
it.
breakfast for the rest of the trip.
To shit, it's not worth it.
Let's go on.
Trust
Get
me,
in.
I won't drive like a lunatic. I'll drive just
He is a man of
just
his words.
so you experience it. Trust me.
When he says he's a man of his words, he said I means nothing. Just get in. Go on, I'll get the GoPro going. You'll love it. Just think, like Dubai, you've been in Dubai for 2 weeks, you get the opportunity to go in a GT3 997 and you're saying no.
Yeah.
You must be mental.
Because I've seen how it's been driven.
No, I've just driven it. I drove it like nice.
Can't do it, mate.
Oh, go on.
Can't.
Go on, it'll be nice footage.
I'm sure it won't be nice footage. See me shit myself.
Ben, I won't drive fast. We'll just go on a normal cruise up there.
I've seen how it's been
Give us
getting
the key.
driven.
Give us the key.
Just, yeah, he'll go.
Come on.
Come on. Top. Come on. Have fun.
Come on, be right.
If I say, can you just give me a breather, or you're like,
Don't. No, I'm only joking. Go on, you'll be alright.
fucking hell.
way round.
Yeah, you're happy, aren't you?
Pissed it.
Easy.
Yeah, yeah, mate. I was telling him to go faster.
You told me I was too slow.
Yeah, I was like,
yeah.
Lee's behind you there with the mini.
Yeah, but
Smash him.
Can you not watch that, please?
Yeah, don't watch that. I can see why. Even though I've only ever driven the GTR but not on track, and obviously I've never driven but only been a passenger, but I've been a passenger in both now. Even though this isn't a track, it's that kind of same.
Feels like a racetrack.
Yeah.
What do you think? Dubai is a racetrack.
Yeah, but I can see as a passenger why you preferred your GT3 over your GTR.
No, there's no comparison whatsoever.
Which is amazing because they bum the GTR on track. They bum it.
Well,
journalists, all the people that think they know what they're talking about.
Well, you need to compare it against the GT3. They obviously haven't done it.
Wow. So, are you getting an old GT3 and getting a new GTR then?
These are, yeah. The only thing is, I ain't getting one in left-hand drive. Not a chance. I'm with Elka.
Yeah.
Who is supposedly the craziest driver of everybody in here by a long way. So Ben refused to go out with you in the 1M.
Yeah, I don't know why.
No, I don't know why that is. So we'll soon find out. Can't even tell you how fast that is around these roads. We're going fast, but it feels like you're going even faster just because the roads are up and down, and it's like being on a roller coaster is probably easier than being in this car right now with Elka, because he is an absolute nutter. And the thing is, it's not even his car either. It's someone else's, it's Dan's. So Dan must trust him a lot. And he said take it easy. So he's like, yeah, I'm going to take it easy. Well, if that's taking it easy, I don't know what it is actually. Jesus. What a ride. Obviously you need to be able to drive these cars because they don't drive them stealth. They don't drive themselves, especially a 997, because even traction control on is off, and off is really off. But fair play, you know how to drive, and the car is amazing too. Looks amazing. Drives oh yeah, it's unbelievable. And what better place to drive it than out here in Dubai? So it's good that you trust yourself in each other's car, but what is the rule? If you were to bin this car,
You bin it, you pay it.
you pay it, right?
In all fairness, I mean, the cars are insured, and so much fun just to drive other cars and just your own is because of the experience and being able to do it.
Well, thanks for the ride. Appreciate it.
welcome.
This is yours. This one and that one is yours, and the 1M is yours. But you swap around, don't you? Yeah. We don't do that in the UK, do we?
No, because over here the cars are insured, whereas at home,
That is a big difference.
It's not about insurance, it's about trusting the other person to drive your car.
yeah,
Because I know we do it.
Well, there are any cars.
that's true. But then I don't even trust him to drive my car. Never mind anyone else.
No, but that's because he crashes it into follow.
Yeah, that's what he does.
It's alright, let's not forget about the Sylvia.
Oh yeah, that was.
Exactly. I'm glad you
Oh, hang
reminded
on a
me
minute.
about
That was a drift car that would go sideways.
You're even in Dubai and people know you crashed the Sylvia. I crashed the Focus, obviously. You're not supposed to know about the Focus. It doesn't snow here, so you don't know what you're talking about.
That tyre will come out of nowhere.
Hold on a minute.
What?
You left first in a GT3. We've been here ages. Look at this.
Been
Got loads of
seen it,
beers.
Be here ages.
Yeah.
Most of that's
This is-
evaporated.
This is my third one.
That's what he does. He nurses beers.
Come on.
Big tart.
Let me show you the best fridge in Dubai.
The cheapest fridge in
Anyone that's
Dubai.
got beer in it is good with me.
So any other fridge in any other country wouldn't cost that much.
Dan, was that a shortcut?
But look at that. There's about 500 quid for the Corona.
How are you getting on? Enjoying
You
it?
missed it. You missed it.
That's fine, mate.
Too late now, mate. Yeah, do a little donut. Come on, show us what you're made of. That's not peer pressure, I've never heard it.
Someone's had a beer.
Yeah, 4 beers later. Do you know the best thing is?
What?
The best thing, we've had 4 beers and it's cost us nothing. So last time I seen a donut, I was in it and I crashed it into a wall.
Oh yeah.
At least we're going to get a wheel spin, surely. Come on, Elka. Come on, smash it.
That's the neighbours happy.
Yeah.
You enjoyed yourself?
Yeah, it's good, yeah.
You sound like you have.
How can you not enjoy yourself here?
I know.
Hey, I know this can wheel spin. Is the TC off? Hold on, mate. He's doing a wheel spin here. Come on, mate. Wheel spin it. Do it. You getting out?
Well, yeah. Have I got to do this gracefully?
Do you want me to give you a lift out?
I'll give him a push.
Come on.
Smashed it. There you go. 20. What you want? 28 or 29?
29. Yeah, 29.
Where's 29?
There.
Oh, it's been next to my phone, hasn't it?
I've got one here. But mine's
Where's
next
it?
to my phone as well.
Oh, it's because I'm on 32. Quick.
Oh, so let me do it.
Yeah, that's why.
That's the way we do it. Right. So, we've had an amazing day. What a great set of guys. We didn't even meet them till today.
Right.
And that was all down to you.
Thanks, mate.
So you are useful.
So, no, that was all down to Dan, to be fair. Dan contacted me, I didn't contact him, I didn't know. He lives here, knows a group of lads that have all got some really, really nice cars. Took us out, we had a good fuck about, a couple of beers.
We'll put this swearing bit back on.
Okay.
Yeah, that's the problem we've got. We've not been swearing in our videos. We're not on the right one here.
Yeah, you are.
Yeah, hold on a minute, come on. Not finished the video. Come on. You enjoy yourself.
That was, what a top day that
And
was.
we're going to have to come back, so appreciate the guys taking us out.
Yeah.
And that's what happens when you go to Dubai and you go on Instagram and just connect with people and you do get taken out, don't you?
Is this you here?
No,
With
it's
what
not.
number you at, in case anybody wants to know where you're living?
Hold on a minute, I don't actually know what number we're at. Let's see if this one works. Nope. Might be the other way. All the hotel rooms, the lobbies look the same.
Yeah, but do you not remember the number?
I don't know. First time I've been here. So yeah, this is it.
Is this you here?
Yeah, maybe. Oh, that's not working either. Hold on, let's try this one. This is it, 15. Knew it had a 1 in it. There you go. Right, so yeah, we're back. See you in a bit. Subscribe and all that kind of stuff.
Thank you very much. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.